We have seen the comparison. Vybz Kartel, God and Time, and Alkaline NPT album.
A few moments later.
That's all. But right now, Vybz Kartel has struggled to keep up with dancehall. Vybz Kartel is using content creating to keep relevant, not his music. Vybz Kartel is using every other else thing to keep relevant, not his music, because Vybz Kartel music watered down.
Damn!
Most of Vybz Kartel music are just song when him do for him and sit down in the house.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
If you do music, we him do it. Because Vybz Kartel music right now is not really it song for run dancehall. Would you say Vybz Kartel is running dancehall? When? Where? Oh, which part?
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
People, I want to do know one Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. So people, them say Vybz Kartel album drop number 6 on the Billboard. So you don't know world music with post, but we don't see the numbers yet. I think the numbers supposed to post by the time we see that video. Yeah. You understand? So we are wait. And remember this world music views. Member say, see? Member say, no, you have to go post the second week. Because you post Alkaline second week. When placed on the Billboard. So nobody feel like you can come post Kartel and don't post the second week. You see me? So people, yeah man, number 6 on the Billboard. We don't see the numbers yet. We are waiting for the numbers. We expect some 10,000 or, you know, at least the minimum should be 5K. So we are going to see what go on. You understand? But we have J Progress, I say a thing, and some want to hear people, you see me? Yeah, man.
We have seen the comparison, guys. We put it out there. We have seen the comparison. Vybz Kartel, God and Time, and Alkaline NPT album. No. Vybz Kartel, God and Time is doing well. Alkaline NPT do well. But the comparison is there. Who has the better album and who bring the most weight? Make the album reach where it will go. No. If we talk about numbers, let's say Vybz Kartel, God and Time do way better or is going to do way better than Alkaline NPT. What did Vybz Kartel do differently? Vybz Kartel use other big names to push him album. So Vybz Kartel album sale is not because of just Vybz Kartel. Skillibeng is there, Mavado is there, and countless others. Alkaline NPT. Who are Alkaline is there? How many collabs is there? How many other big names did Alkaline use to push him album out there?
None, you know. Him no use none. You understand? Vybz Kartel use the big name them in a dancehall and big name in a Afrobeats. You don't know Wizkid. You understand? I have Shensi, I have Skillibeng, I have a member, you know. Skillibeng and Shensi, you know, sign artists, them, you know. You see me? Wizkid, same speed. You see me? So, would that look for number 2 or 1 on the Billboard? But, once the numbers, them, how much this sell, because this supposed to sell enough, you know, people. You understand? This is supposed to sell enough. Because the man, not even 1 week after the man say, I'm going to release a new album named The Sun. You understand? Tell me now, people. Then this makes sense? Eh? After 1 week, you go announce you have a next album named The Sun. This no make no sense, dog. You come like you just a throw away some song. You see me? You see you release a next album and the album and numbers not forward out yet. For sure, you people. I tell you, it just the man not get no major hit songs out of it. You see me? No major hit songs, and the energy around it not really dead like that. You understand? But let's see the numbers. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you know, Alkaline have girl good. You see me? Gladiator go on with the thing. You know, say girl good and mash up the place. You see me? But them not find no major songs out of them album. Them just run with a bag of hype and internet thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So we expect highly numbers. You see me? The Billboard, them say a number 6. A be a number 6, him always go most of the time with him album them. But make us see what I go on with the numbers. You see me? People want to see that because it's supposed to sell a good amount. We don't want to see no under no 2,000, you know. Because you get big feature and every little thing. I don't know why them a compare with Alkaline because Alkaline never did a full week of stream. A 3D Alkaline get, you know, and hit number 10, you know. With close to 1,000 sales. See? So, and him never use enough bag of feature. Him never use enough feature on him album. So, I see them a compare. I say, watch ya. And then I say, just hope say the numbers look good. You see it?
So, Vice Kartel's success, if it is so that it will do a lot better than Alkaline album, it doesn't solely based on Vice Kartel. Why you think Vice Kartel go for all the big names? When you see it look like Vice Kartel get some young artists and give them a break in the industry by putting them on him album as him as the heavyweight. No. Vice Kartel want the clout. Vice Kartel want push everything out there. So he want all the strength when he can get. So he go for the big names them in a dancehall to try add to him album. Alkaline I'm own man. That's why I'm saying man himself.
Yeah man, Alkaline that. You see me? Alkaline been doing solo albums throughout him career. And them do well. You understand? With no label. Like the songs them pan it impactful. You see me? You don't know like New Level and Lock, Classic, City, ATM, Conquer the World. There's a lot of songs but that hit song where I sing today. You understand? Champion Boy. You see me people? And you don't know Top Price. You have what? Cream, have Ocean Wave. Mash up your place. NTP, you know, Girl Good. You see me? Yeah. Alkaline was the first album tests for 2026 with the new policy of Billboard, you know, when YouTube stepped down. You understand? Yeah. I just that so. And me hear them money people, me have to just laugh cause the Vice Kartel them say people move with Afrobeats, but when you look, him and them are going to say, yo, Burna Boy thing to get rare on the album, you know, and have Whiskey. So how you say you move Afrobeats or whatsoever, but when you check it, at them money they on your album a give strength. The way man them going over, yo man them never clear Burna Boy and Ray. I think the man them bigger than the whole genre, man. The them a say man say from Kartel fall from prison, Afrobeats gone. Then what him need it for? In people tell me, what him need it for? Because I think me hear like in most streams on the album, I'm a Wizkid. You understand? I'm a Wizkid. And then him a drop a next album again, people. For sure, yo, in a 1 week time. Him drop a next album. How him a compete? Him a compete with himself. Because if this a one and I do well, based on make we see the numbers, and you go drop a next one again, I feel like people will tell you sometimes you have to just laugh. You see me? You have to just laugh.
Of course, Alkaline push more weight with him MPT album. And him do it him alone. Vice Kartel knows him album can't do well if him alone do it. Of course, Vice Kartel need collab. What I want to feel if you understand, you know, is Vice Kartel is losing it. Vice Kartel is a great artist without a doubt. Vice Kartel has done tremendous for dancehall. But right now, Vice Kartel has struggled to keep up with dancehall. Vice Kartel is using content creating to keep relevant, not his music. Vice Kartel is using every other thing to keep relevant, not his music.
And at that, I always tell people, them keep on a compare internet things for measure up with dancehall. You understand? Now, because this is something that go on internet means say a dancehall, me G. You understand? Kartel a do him like a skip them and him thing them on him Instagram page and Ray. No mean say I do nothing for dancehall, brother. Them they are internet thing. You see me? Because if you man drop a album and then in 1 week time him say man drop a next one, brother, something half wrong. You see me? Something half wrong, people. So you try to tell the people them say, yo, this, you know, the first one never did well. So you go drop a next one. You see me? And that me I try to show you people the internet thing and a dancehall thing, my G. You see me? Hype and controversy can't move genre, my G. You see me? So me them a run with a bag of thing, people. I have to just shake my head. Because we Kartel are doing in our house or whatsoever on the internet, it don't have nothing to do with dancehall. That's a Vice Kartel personal life. Yeah, him active on the internet, but not active for dancehall, my G. I tell you that.
Because Vice Cartel music water down. Most of Vice Cartel music, I just sang when him do for him and sit in the house. I just see him and see them listen to. When last Vice Cartel get a real hit song? When last? I don't know if it bash Vice Cartel or beat him nowhere. Vice Cartel, the game just a step well left Vice Cartel. What Vice Cartel if you do at this stage is to hand the button over to him, youth them, and still continue to do music the way him do it. Because
And button team youth them. Brother, man them youth them there how much years now, me G, and I know the youth them can't get a major breakthrough, me G. Remember man do much collaboration with them and bag of thing, but it still no really do nothing, me G. You understand? Not because it work for the father, it must work for the son, you know. You see me, I have to understand, so how dancehall music work, I just a struggle. Them youth they grew up with gold spoon in their mouth, you know. Only thing them sing about a girl and money. You understand? And riches, that's all. Them not grow up in a poor level or whatsoever for kind of people can, you know, people can connect to the music like that. Poor youth, them in a get to try make it where them man them now no girl and no money and a rich and a mansion. You see me? Man them want inspiration over fall out of the slum, so them not really connect to the people like that. Because them not grow up them type of life there. You see me? Them mother have money and them father rich. You see me? Yeah, so I just one of them thing there. You see it, I don't know which button. Kartel now ain't over no button, me G. I tell you. Right now, you know, him have to do for stay relevant in a dancehall, you see me? You can't bash him for that. Him have to do what him have to do. If I have to post on social media and do some shaggy, him have to do what him have to do. You see me? But when we are talking about dancehall and music, yeah, the hype thing and the controversy thing that now go work, my G. You see me? Yeah, because we can see the music. If it a impact out there, it a impact out there. You see it?
Vice Cartel music right now is not really it song for run dancehall. Would you say Vice Cartel is running dancehall? When? Where? Oh, which part? Would you really say Vice Cartel is now running dancehall? Vice Cartel is getting big shows. Vice Cartel is getting paid more than almost all dancehall artists for his performances. That's because of legacy and the work when put in prior. But Vice Cartel is not running dancehall right now. Vice Cartel album wasn't solely down to him. Vice Cartel did need big names for him album in order for him album get the push there. It's not Vice Cartel and Gaza fans only. Mavado, Skilly Bang, plus countless others. People, what money yai?
I know a worst thing. People. You see, him, I think Heart and Soul, they have done collaboration. I think him last album, I think we never know the numbers and I think we never know which part on we not even know which part on the Billboard they drop. But you never have no, you know, the energy never there. But him literally need, I gonna need features. You see me? Him songs them by himself nowadays, it not really do anything. You see me? I just saw Vice Cartel that, so you know them I go run with some little thing and way, but it now go, you know, keep on the same energy for a long while. You see me?
Until I understand, the game changed on him. Him did a good keep up when him come from prison, but right now it never lasts. And that's why we don't see even Massacre and Alkaline get so much fight. Because the world don't know it. We all know. It have to be Massacre or Alkaline. The game are for them. Vice Cartel, slow up right now in our game. Look on the music them what him do. And it say it all. NPT, God and Time. Of course, if we base it on the individual artist, Alkaline do a way better job than Vice Cartel. And Alkaline get more hit song out of NPT than what Vice Cartel get out of God and Time.
That's facts. You understand? Because him not get no hit song out of him album right now. Where we can say a play and a mash up party. You see me? Him not get that. Would I see the energy? Would I see everything? You see me? We know say Alkaline have girl good. You see me? Him we see him perform, graduate, mash up a place. You see it? So people are listening. So girl good right now. Me not lie, the song for the year. Like, trust me. The people them outside. You see it? Yeah, man.
I lie me I tell, check it to myself.
You see it? A real talk, man. A real talk. I think I want video, you know, people. I want to show them say girl good and mash up the place, you know. You see it? I go play it and make you see what I go on. You see it? Girl good and mash up the place. Yeah.
That's not what us!
Yeah, man. I tell you. Girl go to mash up the place, people. I tell you, it no normal. It no normal. You see it, so. I feel just look where I feel look out, people. You see me? And the girl, them anthem, you know, you can't tell them nothing. Them love it. You see it? I feel them thing. You see me? But I just one of them next thing, the people. You see me? Sometimes, when you talk, it's like, you know, when it comes to Vice Kartel, as I say, him put in the work, him set him legacy. But you see in a dancehall, every dancehall artist I just reach a level there where the music side, it now go connect like how it usually connect back in there. You understand? Yeah, I just say it go generation and generation thing kind of change, and you know, I just one of them thing there. It's just the young people them, you know, interact with the young artists them, and you know, yeah, I just say it go. Like, you know, when you reach certain years of the artist, people are look for you sing some different things, and you know, you just have to do your thing, but you don't know. Vice Kartel is a man where them man there, him can't just easy and go on easy, you know. I have to just know it's alright. You have to create something on the internet to stay relevant, you know. Where. You know, I see that there's an artist them do it. You see me? I just feel him think that. You see me? He's a brother where if them money could have get the chance to go do movies and all of them things, them do it long time. I tell you. You see me? But as I say, we don't see the impact of NPT. But the goddamn time, I don't know. You see me? I don't know really know what. You see me? The goddamn time song, yeah, that can go on. You see me? Kind of with the title. But I just feel like, say, the goddamn time album are just some true song. You never really live up to the album, the goddamn time, you see it? Yeah, so I just one of them thing the people, but you don't know, big up on yourself. You don't know one meter fax pan up, you see me? Yeah, man. Represent, you don't know. That is it.